To the playing functions. Play is clearly the big green button. Play is also the pause. And play again and pause. Play again and pause. Simple. The orange button is the cue. It jumps back to the beginning, allowing you to play again from the beginning. It will play until you let go, if you hold it. And if you pause, and then press Q, notice it's flashing this time. And this little orange marker shows where it was set. But if I press the orange button now in pause, that's moved and I've reset where the cue point is. Effectively, I've chosen a different part of the song to play the song from. Still works the same way, but it's not the very beginning. To find the very beginning again, I just use track search back to the beginning, and I'm at the beginning. Notice the orange marker moved again. We use this so that we can skip an intro, skip a bit of silence at the beginning of the song, or start from a specific place in the song if we so wish.